Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make an air hockey table at home. To begin, gather your essential materials. You will need 2 sheets of smooth plywood, each measuring 4 by 8 feet for the playing surface and base. Also, acquire a small, powerful leaf blower or shop vacuum to create the airflow. Don't forget a drill with a tiny 1/8 inch bit, along with wood glue, screws, and a saw for assembly. Next, let's construct the table's sturdy frame. Cut 4 pieces of 2 by 4 inch wood to create the outer perimeter. Assemble these pieces using strong wood glue and screws, making sure your frame is perfectly square. Then, securely attach one of your 4 by 8 foot plywood sheets to the top of this frame, forming the solid base of your air hockey table. Reinforce all corners for maximum stability. Now, for the crucial airflow mechanism. Take your second 4 by 8 foot plywood sheet and drill hundreds of tiny 1/8 inch holes across its entire surface. Aim for a consistent grid pattern, spacing them about 2 inches apart. Next, create an enclosed air chamber by attaching 4-inch high side walls around the perimeter of your base plywood. Finally, connect your leaf blower or shop vacuum to an opening in this chamber to generate upward air pressure. For the final assembly, carefully place the drilled plywood sheet onto the air chamber, ensuring all edges are sealed tightly. Next, add sturdy side rails around the playing surface and cut out goal openings at each end. Double-check that all connections are airtight to maintain optimal air pressure distribution. Finally, test your homemade air hockey table with a puck to confirm smooth, frictionless movement across the surface. Enjoy your game.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.